What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my favorite topic, and that is passive income. Now, I do these videos to help you understand passive income, understand how it works, and hopefully give you the motivation to go and create passive income yourself. Now, first of all, guys, the reason I just cracked this energy drink is because I've been up all day working on something special for you guys. So make sure you stay to the end to find out what it is, because we're not going to be talking about that right now. But what we're going to be talking about, guys, is passive income. I like to do this every single month so you can see what I've made passively without doing anything. So this income we're going to be talking about in this video is income that I didn't do anything in the last 30 days to make. So I didn't even lift a finger. I do have other income sources that I get money from as well, but I never include that in this because this is 100% passive, okay? So we're gonna be talking about 4 things in this particular video. And if you don't know who I am and stuff like that, I make money online, passive income, drop shipping. I have a software as well that I sell, and I actually usually include the software in the passive income, but we're not gonna be doing that today. So this passive income came from one source, but from 4 things. So we're going to talk about that in a second, guys. But before we do that, make sure you smash that like button if you want to know more about passive income. And let's jump straight into this. So the method that I use to get this passive income, guys, is what we call affiliate marketing. A lot of you guys already know about that. What I do is I go and promote other people's products and I get a commission for that. The first thing, I get around about 33% commission per month. The second thing, I get a one-off payment. A third thing, a one-off payment. Fourth thing, I get a 40% commission every single month. Now, the good thing about affiliate marketing, guys, is you're promoting products or you're sending traffic to products that you don't touch. They're not your products. You don't have to do any work. All you focus on is sending the traffic. So that's one thing about trying to make money online. If you have your own product and stuff, you're trying to focus on that and the traffic. If you're promoting other people's products, whether it be courses or software, you just focus on the traffic. So you have a better chance of making money because that's what you're laser focused onto. So let's dive into this, guys, because I'm really excited for this one because I made no effort to make this money this month at all in the last 30 days. So what did I promote and how did I actually go and make this money? So the first thing I promote, guys, I've been promoting this for a super long time, and this is a program called GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is an email marketing program that I recommend to people. I do that via an old YouTube video that I have, and I also do it via blogs that I run. And I have not touched these blogs, and that YouTube video was uploaded a long time ago. Now, from this one particular product, this month I made $1,063 passively. Now, this is down quite a bit from last month. Not really sure on that reason. Sometimes you get really low months because people cancel their plans. It's usually around about a 6-month retention rate. So usually every 6 months you might get a really low month, but then it goes back up the next month. So it's been quite steady for a while, and then had a really big month last month, and then came down a little bit this month, which is usually pretty consistent and quite normal. You'll get those big spikes. Obviously, we like big spikes. So if you don't know what I'm kind of talking about is someone signs up to GetResponse and uses it as an email marketing platform, and I get a 33% commission every single month. Now, the good thing about this particular program, guys, is when someone goes and signs up to an email marketing program, the likelihood of them using it for the rest of their life or years or months is really high because they need a system to manage their email. So that's why I like programs like this, because the retention is really, really long. The average retention is around about 6 months, but take me, for example. I spend over $2,000 per month on my email marketing software, and I use GetResponse. I signed up to someone under that link about 5 years ago. So they're getting 33% of $2,000 every single month just from me. So that's the first product, guys, I've been getting passive income from in the last 30 days without doing anything. Now, if you don't really understand the traffic side of things, guys, what we do is we just go and rank websites in Google and do YouTube videos and stuff like that to go out and create this passive income. And we pretty much recommend products, courses, and things like that. Now, it's good to recommend stuff that you actually use. All of this stuff here, I actually use myself, so it's easier to actually recommend. What a lot of people do with affiliate marketing is they go and spam links to stuff that they don't use, and it doesn't work and it doesn't convert. If you educate people on this stuff, they stay under you for a lot longer. Now, number 2, guys, is a program called Bluehost. Now, what Bluehost is, it's a program where people go and host a website. So it's web hosting. It's a web hosting platform. Now, this particular website, guys, pays me $110 every time somebody signs up. This is not recurring, but that's okay because it's quite a high payout. And this month, $4,370 from this particular one. It's a little bit lower. I think it's around about $500-$600 lower than last time, but that's not too bad. That's pretty good considering I haven't done anything with that. Once again, this is actually a blog post that I have on how to create a blog. People go and read that, and then I get a commission every time somebody signs up and gets a website through that particular platform. And the good thing about that, guys, is 99% of people trying to make money online will need a website. Now, the third one, guys, is a platform called Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform online. This month I made around, $11,863 from this particular platform by recommending Shopify. So I get most of my traffic for this, once again, from a blog that I have. I have multiple blog posts and stuff like that. However, this month we were actually working on more blog posts. Now, I did include this as passive because all of this income did come from the old blog posts that I had. So this is from the old blog post. The blog posts that we did this month, they haven't really ranked in Google yet and stuff like that. So they'll start getting passive income in the months to come. So that's the good thing about passive income, right? You put in the work now and then you start to reap the rewards later. You can do it in real estate, online, and all that sort of stuff. There's lots of ways you can go and create passive income. I just like to do it online because you can get really good returns quite quickly if you go and do real estate, which I do as well. But if you go and do real estate and you rent out property, it takes quite a long time to get into a positive cash flow and start to see really good returns on your passive income. You do get returns straight away, but most of the time, most of that money is going towards paying off the mortgage and building up the equity. So that's why I like to do this online stuff and promote these particular product. Now, the good thing about Shopify, guys, is it's getting really popular now. So they just announced that they're going to pretty much go and take on Amazon. So in my opinion, it's just the start for Shopify. They're now doing fulfillment centers and that. So there's going to be way more people trying to jump onto Shopify. So I expect these earnings to increase. And if you do want to get into affiliate marketing, I recommend Shopify as one of the platforms you promote because they do pay quite well. But just go and do informative articles or YouTube videos and stuff like that and recommend Shopify as an e-commerce platform. It really is the #1 e-commerce platform online. There's no other ones that are better than that. That's why it converts extremely well. Now, before we move on, guys, I do actually get quite a common question when I do these videos, and it's, Franklin, how long does it take you to do the work? Like when you do the work, how long does it take you before you see a result? Now, because most of this is from organic traffic, it does take a little bit. So for example, the get response one, I started to get results from that one pretty quickly because most of it came from a YouTube video and stuff like that and blog post. But the YouTube video brings me in quite a bit. YouTube videos index quite quickly and start to rank quite quickly. The Bluehost stuff and the Shopify stuff, I started to see my commissions around about 3 to 4 months after actually doing the work. And I did the work, guys, like 3 or 4 years ago. So you know it's worth it. You do 3, 4, 5 months worth of work, and it wasn't every day. I would probably maybe do 4 or 5 hours a day, but you do work for 3 or 4 months, and then you can get money from this for the next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, even 10 years or even longer than that. So for the people that ask me that question, you know, how much work do I put in? I do put in quite a bit of work at the start, but the results just make it really worth it because it just keeps going and it hardly ever fluctuates. And if you want to make more money, just put in more work and then it builds up. And then maybe a few months later, put in some more work, do some more blog articles and stuff like that. So that's the main traffic source, guys, is blog articles and YouTube videos for these particular ones. Mainly blog articles. I don't do many YouTube videos based on this particular stuff. I just do it every once in a blue moon. Now, the fourth one, guys, is a really good one as well. Now, I get 40% per sale every single month. So what happens is, this is called Clickfunnels. It is a program where people create marketing funnels. You might have heard of it. And someone gets on a 14-day trial. That's kind of the good thing about Clickfunnels and GetResponse, guys, and Shopify. They have trials. So it's really easy to get people under a trial. And a lot of the time, they will convert. So Clickfunnels has a trial, and they also have lots of courses and stuff as well. You can get commissions from that. So anyway, if someone gets on the trial and they stick on the trial, I get 40% of $38 per month, I think, is that? No, sorry, I get $38 per month and I get 40% of $97 per month. Or they have a bigger plan where I get 40% of $300 or something and I get $118 from that if the person stays. So the good thing about Clickfunnels, guys, once again, it's a recurring income. It happens every single month. Now this month on Clickfunnels, I don't know if I mentioned that or not, $11,499. It's a little bit down from last month. That's quite common with recurring stuff. The only thing I don't like about recurring stuff, guys, so GetResponse and Clickfunnels is recurring. Bluehost and Shopify is not. So with the recurring stuff, if your traffic drops, you have to do more content because the people, not all of them, but a lot of the people will eventually stop using the program. With Bluehost and Shopify, if the traffic stops, the money does get lower, but they have bigger payouts up front. So it kind of weighs itself out there and you still make good money. However, it's still less, if you know what I mean. So with all four of these particular programs, you will have to put in traffic if it slows down. But the good thing about Bluehost and Shopify is you get, like Bluehost is paying me $110 per sign up, right? So even if the traffic drops a little bit, I'm just not going to really lose much. I'm still going to get those big commissions. However, Clickfunnels is paying 40% per month. If the traffic drops and people start dropping off their plan, then it will start to go down quite quickly. That's why those ones you do have to put in a little bit more work to get the money rolling and keep it rolling. However, I haven't put in much work for those at all, at least in the last 30 days. This was all completely passive, guys. And once again, guys, what I do to get that traffic, I rank videos in YouTube and I also rank blog posts so I get traffic by people searching. The reason these commissions are so high is because I'm going for organic traffic, people that are actually searching stuff online. So they're already ready to purchase. Now you might remember at the start of this video, I mentioned that I have some information because I'm drinking an energy drink. Usually I don't drink those, but I've been working very hard on something, guys. My new affiliate training is getting released soon, so I will leave a waiting list down below for anybody that is interested in that. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for that. Now, if you do want to know more about affiliate marketing, how to make money online with affiliate marketing, I will leave some videos up on the screen. These are completely free for you to watch on the right side of your screen, top right, bottom right. There will be a playlist and a video that you can click right now to go and learn how to make money with affiliate marketing. Remember to subscribe, tap that notification bell, drop a like on this video, and I'll see you in one of the other videos.